You'll find our wellness collection of teas in spas and wellness centres across the UK, and one of our most popular teas is our Bird of Paradise tea. Bird of Paradise tea is a black tea base flavoured with apple, papaya pieces, marigold blooms, cornflower and rose petals. Lots of birds of paradise have a darker colour with pops of colour throughout their feathers, and we've really tried to replicate that in our tea. As this is a black tea infused with fruit and petals, we can use 95-degree water and steep for up to 5 minutes. It all depends on how you like your tea, so we recommend you taste it every few minutes. This is a great morning tea because we have that caffeine boost in the black tea, and we also have that really energising flavour of the papaya.